As I have said during the last press briefing, that the Vice President should have at least leveled up in her discussions, in her responses in certain issues. But it seems that she never heard anything in regard to that, or she just refuses to listen. Hindi siya nag-level up. Mas parang bumaba pa. Now, kung inamin naman po ni Congressman Pulong Duterte, ayon sa kanyang pag-interview, hindi niya tinanggi ang video, papaano ipapahid ng Vice Presidente ang ginawang ito ng kanyang kapatid sa Pangulo at sa administrasyon? Bakit ito ibibintang sa Pangulo?